paper, you fold from this top edge to this bottom edge. And now from this edge to this edge. 3, okay? There are 4 open flops here. Now let's take one this side and fold it like this. And now the other 3, fold it to the other side. And now you can open it here, push your finger a little inside and then slowly bend it down like this. And crease a little here. Let's open it. And voila, there we go. But just make a little, presses like and there. So I'll show you how to make another boat with a tail like this. So all the steps are same except one step. We fold one here and crease, but here we don't fold all 3, okay? We fold only one. And now you remember how we opened like this? So open it here and these 2 push it inside. So now regular, just take it here, fold. So ready for the magic. And opened and look, the triangle thing came down. Stories of this boat, that this has a metal tail here and it can easily cut icebergs as it sails. So you can also sail some during the rains time. Well, don't get yourself wet though. And out of these 2 boats, which one did you like the best? Leave your thoughts in the comments below. Also, like, share our videos, subscribe to my channel. Until then, bye bye.